अस्तु, अहं प्रार्थनाश्लोकान् अद्य करिष्यामि। ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सर्वेषां स्वागतं, पुनः पुनः स्वागतं। So looking at class participants, we are three only probably. Anybody else has joined after that, after Prarthana or during Prarthana?
I think there was one more. There's one more person joined.
Namo
Right?
Namaha.
Now we are four.
Natarajan here.
अस्तु अस्तु, स्वागतं महोदय, नटराजन महोदय, स्वागतम्। अस्तु, so we are going to do किंचित् पुनरावलोकनम, what we have studied up till now. We will do a quick revision of that. If anybody has any संशयः अथवा question, you may ask. So up till now we have studied just one quick thing. If at all for 1 second or few seconds the power cut happens, I will quickly join. So be there. It is happening some very rarely, but if it happens, be there. And yeah, so and I am having an additional screen on my left side, so maybe you feel little weird, but on and off I'll be seeing here. So this is a table we have come across many often, and what this table says, this table is appears to be a very complex table, but going step by step, this table becomes very easy. How it becomes easy? Just I am going to give a quick look to you. This is a Kriya-centric table. Kriya-centric, ityukte, Kriya is in the center, and this table reveals how the action or the Kriya is related to Karta. Then this table again says in the center Kriya, that how this Kriya or the action in the sentence is related to Karma Padam. So Kriya again is, you might have heard this Saptami Vibhakti, and this is the Samadhanam of Putra, Prashnavachakaha. So Kriya again, how it is related with the Adhikarana or Putra or Saptami Vibhakti. So this way, seeing from Karta, that is Prathama Vibhakti, then Kriya and Karma, that is Ditiya Vibhakti, and Kriya, and on your left side, this location of the action, that is Adhikarana. This Kriya and the Adhikarana, how this is related, that is Saptami Vibhakti. So Prathama, Dvitiya and Saptami Vibhakti. You have completed the Saptami Vibhakti also. So now why means this vibhakti we are not giving you the vibhakti name and then starting the question, the teachings and the lessons. This we are making it in the form of prashnavachakaha. If we say kaha, karoti, अथवा पठति, कह अथवा का अथवा किम पठति, then the answer is the karta, samadhanam karta. Kah pathati, balakah pathati. Then pathati, again the question, kam pathati, athva kam pathati, athva kim pathati, depending upon the linga, pullinga, strilinga, athva napunsakalinga. So this become the samadhanam to kam, kam, athva kim. It is the karma padam. Again, when it comes to this location of the action or adhikarana, this kriya, kutra this pathanam happening or kutra kriya is happening. So again, the kriya and the kutra. So kutra is the prashnavachakaha, samadhanam becomes saptami vibhakti. So kaha athva ka athva kim is the prashnavachakah shabdah, and we ask the question to the kriya and the answer we get is the karta. Same way, again I am repeating, the answer what we samadhanam we get is karma padam, samadhanam of the kutra we get to saptami vibhakti. Other things they are karanam, sampradhanam, apadanam. Gradually, one by one, we will cover. So up till now, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti and Saptami Vibhakti, we have done it. So this table, one by one, gradually it will come into your grasp. Now it may appear little complicated, but up to whatever you have studied, that is easier becomes to you. Again, so kutra was the topic you studied last. So kutra means here the table says ekavachane, it is rame athva marge athva tadage. When it is akaranta pullinga, the saptami vibhakti ekavachanam becomes, takes the ekaraha at the end. So ramaha becomes a, rame, margaha becomes a, marge, tadagaha becomes tadage. This Rame, Marge, Tadage, Ekavachanam, Saptami Vibhakti, when we talk about Bahuvachanam, it becomes Rameshu, Athva Margeshu, Athva Tadageshu. Eshu, it acquires Eshu at the end. Strilinge, what happens? Like Rama, Rama becomes Ramayam. Athva Sita. Sita becomes Akaranta Strilinga we are talking about here. Akaranta Strilinga, Sita becomes Sitayam. If it is Dirgha Ikara Strilinga, it becomes, like example, Nadi. Nadi becomes Saptami Ekavachane, Nadyam. And Bahuvachane, Sita becomes Sita Su, and Nadi becomes Nadishu. Similarly, Napusakalinga, what happens? Jale athava vane. Napusakalinga goes with the pullinga. Up to Prathama and Dvitiya, they are different. Napusakalinga shabdaha, they are different. Means together they are Prathama and Dvitiya, one and the same thing. But after Tritiya and up to Saptami, they their Rupani goes like pullinga shabda. So, Jale, Vane, like Rame and Marge, Jaleshu, Vaneshu, like Rameshu, Parveshu. Astu. Yeah. So, we have studied Vriksheshu Phalani Santi. So, Vriksheshu Phalani Santi. What does it mean? That there are fruits in the trees. Here, the Saptami Vibhakti has been expressed in Bahuvachanam. So here that's the sentence says that is why Vriksheshu Phalani Santi. So this Santi, can anybody of you please tell me, Santi is denoting to whom? To Vriksheshu athva Phalani.
Vruksheshu.
Vriksheshu Santi. Now, actually, Phalani Santi.
Oh, Phalani. Okay, Vruksheshu Phalani. So Phalani is second.
Phalani is a Bahuvachanam. Phalam
Bahuvachanam.
phale Phalani. So in one vriksha also there may be many fruits.
Yeah.
So vriksheshu has no meaning here. A Santi goes with Phalani. Kamalani kasareshu viksanti. Who has Parvati Mahoday, bhavati arthah janati va?
Kamalani kasareshu vikasanti.
Kasareshu.
Kasareshu, sorry. The lotuses are blooming in the lake.
In the lake. So similarly, vikasanti is indicating towards which
Kamalani.
word?
Kamalani.
Kamalani vikasanti.
Yeah.
Yes. And hansaha tadageshu taranti. Uma bhagini asti va? Uma Mahoday, bhavati asti va? Nasti. Astu Basavaraja Mahoday.
Hamsaha Hamsaha Taranti.
Hansaha tadageshu taranti.
Yeah,
Hamsaha.
Hamsaha. What's it called? Hamsa is I'm trying to get the English word for that.
Swan.
Yeah.
Swan. Swans are swimming in the Tadageshu. Tadageshu, is that a swamp?
Tadageshu is lakes. Pond.
Lake, pond.
Yeah, pond.
Yeah.
The
So hansaha taranti. Taranti go indicate towards hansaha. According to hansaha, taranti is bahuvachanam. Hansaha tarati. Hansaha taranti. So similarly, you see balakaha vidyalayeshu pathanti. So balakaha pathanti, putra pathanti, vidyalayeshu pathanti. So archakaha devalayeshu japanti. The putra archakaha kutra japanti devalayeshu. So basically, this is the these are the sentences where we put a question kutra. Kutra santi, vriksheshu santi. That is why vrikshaha has taken the saptami vibhakti. Astu, up till now with me, clear? So taranti, where putra taranti, tadageshu taranti. So when you ask a question, putra, the samadhanam comes to in saptami vibhakti. Tadageshu, vidyalayeshu, agre gachamaha. Kutra samadhanam napumsakalinge bahuvachani, same. Means the rule is the same. Asti, kutra mishrannam patreshu asti. Kutra asti mishrannam? This it is in the vessel or in a pot. So patreshu, in, on, or any location, wherever you find this, you have to put that word in saptami vibhakti. So patra, we see that where is putra asti mishrannam, mishrannam patreshu asti. That's why patra has taken saptami vibhakti. Matsyaha jaleshu sancharanti. There api kutra sancharanti. Where they are moving, they are in the water. So very different waters there. So fish move there. Chalakaha vahaneshu santi. Ishwaran Mukhote, Bhavan Artha Janati va?
Yeah, I know. The
Vadatu Mukhote.
The driver is in the vehicle.
Vehicles. Drivers are in the
The
vehicles. So bahuvachane asti. That's one. So vahaneshu. This is saptami vibhakti bahuvachane asti. This is when you put a question, kutra santi chalakaha, kutra santi, where are they? They are in the vehicles. Kunchikaha taleshu santi. Same way. Parvati Mahoday, अथवा I did not ask Tulasi Ram Mahoday. Tulasi Ram Mahoday?
महोदय
वदतु अर्थः कः? कुञ्चिकाः
पुष्पाणि
तादृश
पुष्पाणि उद्यानेषु विकसन्ति.
न महोदय
Flowers
अपर्वन्
blossom in gardens.
one more कुञ्चिकाः तालेषु सन्ति इत्यस्य
कुञ्चिकाः
अर्थः
तालेषु सन्ति. The keys are in the locks.
Keys are in the locks. So can you put a question here, Mahoday? कुञ्चिकाः तालेषु सन्ति. Put a question कुत्र.
कुञ्चिकाः कुत्र सन्ति? कुञ्चिकाः तालेषु सन्ति. पुष्पाणि कुत्र सन्ति? पुष्पाणि उद्यानेषु विकसन्ति.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. अग्रे गच्छामः. Here this table is slightly important because all the kriya padani we study, they indicate that the Raj, this is Sri Ramaha Putra Vasati. So the location or in or on that takes up the Saptami Vibhakti. So this is the normal and general what we have studied up till now. So Sri Ramaha Putra Vasati, Sri Ramaha Raj Prasade Vasati, Sri Ramaha Athva Ayodhyayam Vasati, he lives in Ayodhya. Same way, Tisthati, Ahvyati, Namati, whatever you take the Kriya Padam, the location Athva in or on indicating Arthaha, it takes Saptami Vibhakti. So Raja Prasade, Ayodhyayam, because Ayodhya is Akaranta Strilinga. That's why Ramayam Vata Ayodhyayam happening here. So, but when we come to this below 2 to 3 sentences, we see that Sri Ramaha Kutra Gacchati, Sri Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. Why this Vanam? So, up till now, all these Kriya Padani, we say that it attracts Saptami Vibhakti. And when we use Gam Dhatu, this is a very special case here. Gam Dhatu, it takes Dvitiya Vibhakti prior to that. This is different. So, he generally, Angla Bhashayam api vayam vadamaha, balakah vidyalayam gacchati. The boy goes to school. So here, gam dhatu, you remember, whether it is gacchati or agacchati, in both the cases, gam dhatu always attracts Dvitiya Vibhakti. It is not correct to write Sri Ramaha Vane Gacchati. You have to write Sri Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. To Sri Ramaha goes to forest, So that in English also you have to say goes to forest. So Sri Ramaha Vanam Gacchati athva Sri Ramaha Nandigramam athva Lankam Gacchati. So Gam Dhatu attracts Dvitiya Vibhakti, not the Saptami. Nandigrame na gacchati. Sri Ramaha Nandigramam gacchati. Okay, Lankayam na gacchati. Lankam Dvitiya Vibhakti. So remember, this is a special dhatu. It has to be treated specially and it attracts Dvitiya Vibhakti. Astu? Agre gacchamaha. Here, the heading is Kutra question and Gacchati athva Agacchati. In both the cases, dhatu is gam. Agachati means gam dhatu gachati and a is the upasargah. Upasargah ityukte we say that prefix and suffix. So this is prefix. So gachati means going, agachati means coming, coming in. So you are coming and you are going. That's the reverse of the action. So but both the cases dhatu is gam. So what happens? Balakaha vidyalaye asti. This is very simple. We know vidyalaye athva granthalaye. He is in the school or he is in the library. But when we use gandha, what happens? See the change here. Balakaha kutra agachati. Balakaha griham mandiram agachati. Why Dvitiya Vibhakti? You should immediately connect it to Gam Dhatu. If it is Gam Dhatu, it will be Dvitiya Vibhakti. So, Balakaha Grihani athva Mandirani agachati. Same for Gachati athva agachati. Dvitiya Vibhakti will come. Up till now, everybody is okay. Any
Mahoday, I have
question?
I'm Mahoday.
this is one
Vada.
which I want to ask.
Yeah.
So when it becomes on the same slide, if you can be
Yeah.
there,
Yeah.
Balakaha kutra asti, Balakaha vidyalaye asti. It becomes Balakaha kutra agachati. We can say Balakaha vidyalayam agachati, right? Vidya,
Correct.
isn't it?
Uttama. Yeah.
Or
Samik
Balaka
Mahoday.
grantalayam agachati. The moment it becomes a gam dhatu,
Hmm.
Dvitiya
It
Vibhakti
takes,
applies to the Kriya Padam.
Kriya Padam na. This,
Huh.
this Adhikarana means
Adhik,
Saptami Vibhakta.
So instead of
Saptami
Saptami
Vibhakti.
Vibhakti, we use a Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yes. That is
So for conveying the location, if these gam dhatu comes, you will have to use only in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah, see, the basic question we have started from Kutra. The question is Kutra. Now, Samadhanam should come in Saptami.
Okay.
Parantu, this Saptami changes into Dvitiya Vibhakti when the Kriya is Gamdha. So, only
The
one
Kriya is
special
Gam dhatu.
case. Kriya changes, Kriya is Gamdha to immediately change the Saptami Vibhakti to Dvitiya. Astu?
Astu, ma'am.
Ishwaran Mahoday? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Agre Gachamaha. This was the quick revision. And now we are Adya Patishyamaha. Kim Patishyamaha. Yada Tada. Yadi Tarhi. Chet No Chet. We are going to study these Avyayani. So these Avyayani, there are many more you would be studying further in the class also. But today's topic is these three sets of Avyayani. So Avyayani, anybody knows or shall I explain?
Please explain, ma'am.
Achha. Avyaya means that does not vyayati. It does not changes. If you have some collection of money, if you take some vyayam from that, it would be less. So it changes. The amount changes. Here, what is there? Vyaya nasti. Avyaya. Vyaya nasti. That means it does not changes its form. So, yada tada, whatever the linga is, whatever the vachana is, wherever you are using vibhakti, whatever it is, yada tada will not have its rupani. It will always be yada and tada. Similarly, yadi and tarhi, they are also set of avyaya. So they also do not change. Wherever they are used, they will always be yadi tarhi. Like Rama, 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 yadi tarhi does not become yadi and then tarhi. There are no rupani. So they are as it is, they survey as it is, tishtanti. Similarly, third set is chetno chet. So what is happening? These are all avyayani and they help us forming the conditional sentences. They are sentences when you describe simple truth. If you heat the ice, it will melt. So this is simple a truth. There is no condition if you heat it or this degree you heat it. No, if you are going to heat it, the ice will melt. So this is
Mahoday,
a general.
what's
beta.
the meaning of chet? Chet, no chet?
I'll come back. I'll come to that point also.
Okay.
So let me introduce what are they. Yada tada yadi tarhi chetno chet. They are they help us in formation of conditional sentences. Okay. Whenever there is some condition, we take the help of one of these sets, and there are many more conditions also, yavat tavat. But today's topic is yada tada yadi tahi and chetna. We are introducing this topic to you, ki how to frame conditional sentences. Okay. So first our topic is yada tada. As it is written here, when, yada means when, tada means then. So yes, I explain you few sentences, then you may read and explain it to me. Yada dharmasya glanihi bhavati tada devaha avatarati. So when there is downfall of dharma, then devaha, God, takes avataram. So this is yada and tada. They are yada and tada, they are generally samayashritaha. Samayashritaha means time, related to time. Okay, both the incidents happen at the same time. When two sentences are joined, they have a relationship between them, between the two, the relationship is there with respect to time. So, samaya ashritaha, conditional sentences. Samaya is important here. At the same time, both the incidents are happening. Then we use yada and tada. So, one more sentence I read and explain. Yada dhanam labhyate tada bhikshukah santustah bhavati. Before I move on, I may add here one small thing. Tada devaha avatarati athava, we say you can express it because you have not studied bhavishyat kalaha, na? Lrit lakaraha. That's why I have not put that here. You may also avatariti avatarishyati, bhavati bhavishyati, that may also come. But here, because we have not studied that lit lakaraha, it is in the lat lakaraha only. So when the bhikshukaha gains some money, he gets some money, he becomes happy. So yada means when that time, when that particular action happens, at the same time, other action also happens. At the same time, both the incidents are happening. So
So
this
glanihi
is,
means deteriorating. What is the glanihi?
yeah, downfall, deterioration, that is the same thing.
Okay, thank you.
Glanihi. So now, whose name shall I call? Ishwaran Mahoday, I begin with you.
Yeah.
Third sentence, please read and tell me the meaning.
Yada vasantakalah bhavati tada kokilah kujadi.
Hmm.
When there is when during spring
Hmm.
comes,
When spring comes,
the kokila means cuckoos. That is,
yeah,
they kujadi, they sing.
They
they sing.
coo.
Okay.
They coo or they sing. Both are some. So Vasanta Kalaha is the Samayaha when this time some action happens. The other action also at the same time happens. So next Natarajan Mahoday, Bhavan Pathatu.
Amma. Yada सूर्यास्तः भवति तदा पक्षिणः नीडं प्रविशन्ति. Yada suryasta bhavati, when sunset happens. Yada suryasta bhavati, when sunsets happen. Tada pakshinaha, then the birds. Tada, then pakshinaha, birds. It is plural, right? Pakshinaha. So birds.
Yes.
Needam pravishati. I don't know what is needam, but pravishyati, pravishanti is to go there. Needam is
nest.
home?
Nest.
Nest. Okay, needam is nest. So they go back to their nest. So when the sunset happens, then the birds go to their, enter their nets. Pravishanti or go to their nets.
Yes. So you see the relationship of time. The time is both the actions are happening in one time. So Agre Parvati Mahode Bhavati Pathatu.
Am Mahoday. Yada Devadattah Aranyam Gacchati Tada Saha Sarpam Pashyati. When Devadatta goes to the forest, then he sees the snake.
So when it happens, at the time when he is in forest, yes,
that time he sees the snake.
Snake. Yes. Uttamam. Uma Bhagini asti va? Nasti, I think. Tulsi Ram Mahoday.
आम् महोदय.
Bhavan Pathatu.
यदा बालकः पुस्तकं पठति तदा सः विषयं जानाति. When the boy reads the book, then he gets to know what is given in the book.
Yes. Say he knows the topic. So when he reads the book, he comes to know
he knows the topic.
Yes, he knows the topic. And Agre.
We have Faniraj Mahoday. Faniraj Mahoday has also joined us.
Faniraj Mahoday.
Yeah, he's also there.
Namo Namah.
Namo Namah Faniraj Mahoday. Namo Namah. Bhavataha avasaraha. Can you read and tell me the arthaha?
Yes. Mahoday.
Vadat.
Yada balakah pustakam pathati.
Na, this happened. Agre.
Yada mata vadati tada putraha shrunoti. When does the mother speak or say, the son listens.
When Mata speaks, the son listens.
Listens.
So both the actions are happening at the same time. So, Mahoday, did you recently join?
I got disconnected in between. There was some network. I messaged you also. There was some disconnection. I got back again.
Okay. So, have you undergone the topic, or shall I explain you?
Right from the first slide I went through, but in between, I think one slide I missed, but I got back, Mahoday.
Astu. So, Basavraj Mahoday, do you want to ask something?
No, I wanted to read the next one.
Acha, Vadat Mahoday.
Yeah. Yada aham udyanam gacchami, tada aham chitrapatangan pashyami. When I go to when I go to the when I go to the park, then I see the butterfly.
Butterflies. When I go to the garden, I see the butterflies.
Artist butterflies.
Samyak Mahoday. So I understand that everybody has understood when we use yada and tada. As you know, we are talking about, studying about conditional sentences, how to frame the conditional sentences. If it is related with time, so we use yada and tada. Astu, agre gacchamaha. Am, kopi vaktum ichchati?
I have a question in that same slide.
Yeah.
When it comes to kokilaha, it is one cuckoo. When it comes to needam, it is many nests.
Yes.
Correct?
It is
and
nest. Yeah.
Then it is nest. Then it is bahuvachan. Sarpam is also then bahuvachan, right? Yada devadatta aranyam gacchati. So it is Devadatta is going to forest, not forests, not plural. It is singular.
Singular.
Tata,
Yeah.
tada saha he. It is singular. Saha is he. Sarpam is bahuvachanam, right? One snake.
One snake. Singular. Ekavachane asti.
I didn't understand how that becomes sarpam. Isn't it sarpaha?
Saha sarpam pashyati. Saha sarpam pashyati. Kam pashyati sarpam. It's a karma padam. Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam.
Yeah.
Okay, dvitiya vibhakti. Okay, it becomes okay.
Ekavachanam.
Sarpam.
Okay, we've not done the dvitiya vibhakti, right? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay.
That's right, karma padam. We have done not in the form of vibhakti. Our
Not in the
total
form of vibhakti.
studies is going through Prashna Vachaka. How we put the question and the Samadhanam comes in the form of vibhakti. This way we are going. So you would be more comfortable. If we start as, see, we are going to study today Sashti Vibhakti. So that will not give you the complete and the broadest context. When you put a question in the Kriya Padam and you get the Samadhanam, then we say it is what Vibhakti, it stays in our mind very logically. That's why through Prashnavachakaha we are going.
So it is kam pashyati, sarpam pashyati.
Yes.
Kam janati, vishayam janati. Correct?
Yes.
Then kam pashyami, the last one, chitrapatangan pashyami.
Pashyami. So they are
all singular.
Chitrapatangan Bahuvachan. Na,
Oh, there it is
Chitrapatangan
Patangan. Okay.
is Bahuvachane. Astu
Bahuvachan.
Putraha Ekavachanamasti.
Ekavachana. Putraha ekavachana.
Yada mata vadati tada putraha shrinoti. Atra karma padam nasti. Kim sin yada mata geetam vadati tada putraha geetam shrinoti. Then geetam becomes karma padam. What he listens to the song. So then that becomes karma padam. Here there is no karma padam. Astu?
Astu.
Yeah. Shall we move on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Dhanyavada.
Now the next set of avyaya is yadi tarhi. Yadi is if. Tarhi is then. If this is this, then this will happen. So it's a possibility thing. If this happens, then this will happen. Or then this happens. So this is a condition here and it indicates towards possibility, sambhavana. It may happen. If this happens, then this happens. Astu? So yadi tarhi. Here are few sentences to understand this condition better. So yadi and tarhi. Yada and tada. Anybody remembers what is that? Yada is what? Just now
Time,
we studied.
time related
When
conditions.
and then.
When and then.
When,
Time
when
related.
and yes, time related. When and then. Whereas yadi and tarhi is if and then. If things happen. So what happens? First sentence gives condition, some kind of condition it gives for the second sentence or second statement to happen. The first one gives certain condition. On the basis of that, second statement happens. So how it goes? Let me explain you one. Yadi viramaha asti, tarhi agachya. If there is a rest, I have some time. If viramaha asti, or if you have some, because agachya is here. If you have some time, then please come or come, whatever you wish to say. Yadi viramaha asti, tarhi agachya. Okay. So second one, this is clear, making sense.
Yes.
Yadi viramaha
Ah,
asti.
ma'am.
So actually, saha, I mean, that is implied, right?
Yes, you
The
have
subject
to.
is implied.
Yeah, means I have to see and think about Kriya Padam. Then you will be able to find out what is the Karta. If I am the Karta, or Saha is the Karta, or you is the Karta. So Agachya, because you have not studied Lot Lakar till now, that is why it is slightly difficult for you. It is like Pathatu Pathatam Pathantu, Patha Pathatam Pathatu. So Agachatu Agachatam Agachantu, Agach Agachatam Agachat. So Agach is Madhyam Purushaha
Purusha,
Ekavachana. That
you.
means Tvam,
Tvam.
you.
You.
Yes.
My
It is
logic is clear?
order request form. Order request
Yeah.
form. Imperative.
Mood. It is mood.
Mood.
Okay. Maybe your
Imperative mood.
agya. Yeah, that's right. Maybe your agya, or maybe you wanted to request. Okay. So next agachya. Agachya, you get na? Tvam agachya. Tvam is adhyahritam. Karta is not shown here. You may guess it from the Kriya Padam. Okay. So now ईश्वरन् महोदय, भवान् पठतु द्वितीयः वाक्यः.
यदि अभ्यासपुस्तकम् अस्ति तर्हि लिखतु.
अर्थः?
If you have the workbook, then you write.
If you have the workbook, then you write. Likhatu, likhatam, likhantu. Then you may write, or exercise book is, then he may write. That also may happen. Then he may write. Likhatu, pathatu, pathatam, pathantu. Patha is tvam. Okay. Or balakaha, he is addressing to balakaha. Some in a class, the teacher wants to address one balaka, one chhatra. And he says to that student, यदि अभ्यास पुस्तकम् अस्ति तर्हि लिखतु. Okay. So yeah, correct. अग्रे नटराजन महोदय, भवान् पठतु.
यदि कार्यं समाप्तं तर्हि भवान् गच्छतु. I'm trying to put it, if a worker, so if I have to address a worker, worker will be karmakara, a worker. Yadi karyam samaptah, if you finish the work, tarhi bhavan gachad, then you can go.
Then you go.
Then you go. Then you may go.
Yeah. That is the adhyar. Because Sanskrit and the Angla Bhasha, we cannot match them. We cannot parallelly place them. There are sentiments you have to take it from Sanskritam also, from Angla Bhasha also. Then you have to understand. But we cannot match them. They are two different languages. And Sanskrit is such a samruddha bhasha. It has much more meanings. It leaves to many things for you to think about it. So say the way you thought now, ki gachatu, how shall I address a person? Karma kara. It was very nice. Agre Parvati Mahode, Bhavati Pathatu.
Mahoday. Yadi Samayavakashah labhyate tarhi agachami. If I have time, labhyate, then I will come.
This is not
agachami. It's referring to me, first person.
Yes, that's right. Okay. But
Uttama.
will, if you say will, and Angla Bhasha, will means future tense. Future tense.
Okay.
So this is
I can.
If,
I can.
Or I come. I come. Yeah,
Okay.
if I have to write here agamishyami, then your first sentence was correct.
Correct. Yeah, I will come. Correct.
I will come.
Agachami.
Yeah, agamishyami
come.
and agachami. Agachami, I come.
Come.
If I have time, I come.
Yeah.
And it can also be expressed as yadi samayavakashah labhyate tarhi agamishyami.
Agamishyami.
So both, because we have not studied lit lakaraha yet, that is why all these are into lat lakaraha. It is samyak, and both are correct. That agamishyami athva agachami. Both are correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then Paniraju Mahoday, Bhavatah Avsarah.
अन्तर्जाल क्लेशः अस्ति पुनः पुनः तथा मम वीडियो नास्ति.
Oh, चिन्ता नास्ति.
अस्तु 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 अहं पठामि.
पठतु.
यदि विद्युत् अस्ति तर्हि विद्युद्दीपः ज्वलति. If there is electricity, then bulbs or the lights will burn or light up.
Like they means they show the light with Vidyutdipa, the electric bulbs will light. Electric bulbs will light. Generally, if it is Deepaha only, then Mrittika Deepaha. So I have put here Vidyut Deepaha, so that if Vidyut asti, then Vidyut Deepaha only jwalati. Na?
Electric bulbs will light up.
Yeah, bulbs will light up.
Astu, astu. Dhanyawad.
Agre Tulsiram Mahoday, Bhavatah Avsarah.
यदि रविवासरः अस्ति तर्हि कार्यालये अवकाशः भवति. If it is Sunday, then there is possibility of going to office. There is possibility of office being there.
न महोदय पुनः एक बारं पठतु. पुनः एक बारं.
If it is Sunday, there will be office. Sorry.
कार्यालये
कार्यालये अवकाशं भवति अवकाशः भवति.
अवकाशः is break, holiday.
Possibility.
अवकाशः भवति. Possibility is that if it is Ravivarah, then that day will be a off day. Avakashah. Holiday, break for you. Na Karyalaya.
Holiday, of course, it is slightly confusing. If it is Sunday, there is a possibility of office.
No, break from work.
You cannot
break from
directly
Avakasha is holiday.
English.
Avakasha is not possibility. Avakasha is a holiday.
Avakasha is
Break.
holiday. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I
Avakash
understood.
is like give me break like that.
If it is Sunday, then there is holiday.
Then Karyalaye
Holiday
at
for
the
office.
office.
There is a holiday for office.
Yes. You may express it like this. The meaning comes correct. So, if yadi Ravivasarah asti, then tarhi in the office off happens, break happens, holiday happens. Okay?
Holiday happens.
Yeah.
Viramadin
You also, whatever you express, that's also correct. There are many ways to express this. Okay. Now, Vasavaraj Mahoday, Bhavataha Avsarah, Pathatu Bhavan.
आम महोदय. यदि पिपासा अस्ति तर्हि जलं पिबामि. If I feel thirsty, I drink water. Uttamam. If there is thirst, I will drink water. Pipasa asti. I drink water. Yeah. I drink water. And pibami becomes in future tense or lit lakaraha pasyam. So if pasyam, then you have not studied, don't bother about that. Just for the sake of mentioning here or giving you a comparison, I have expressed this. So if thirsty, I drink water.
If thirst,
I drink water.
If thirst is there, if thirst is, pipasa is thirst, it is a noun.
Yeah.
Pipasa asti, if thirst is there, then I take water.
Yeah.
Astu? अन्तिमे ईश्वरन महोदय भवतः अवसरः पठतु कृपया.
यदि परीक्षा अस्ति तर्हि बालकः पठति. If there is examination, then I study.
Then balakah.
Okay.
Boy studies.
The boy studies.
Yeah. If there is a examination, then the boy pathati, reads or studies. Both are correct. So this way, this second conditional avyaya set is over. Any problem here? Any sanchayaha? Agre gachamaha? We will come again and again if you wish to revise something. Agre gachamaha. This is chet, no chet. Chet alone can be expressed also. The sentence can only have chet if, and chet and no chet, the complete set may appear in one sentence, then also possible. So I have given two different kinds of sentences. One is having chet only, another is having chet, no chet, both sets. How? Let us see. Okay. So chet and no chet. There are two sets. First is vrishtihi agacchati chet krishakaah santustaah bhavanti.
If rain comes, farmers become happy. Farmers become happy. So, vrishtihi agacchati chet. Chet is if. If rain comes. Okay. So, now I call Basavaraj Mahoday.
Yeah.
Bhavan Patel.
Yeah. Rustihi agacchati chet कृषकाः संतुष्टाः bhavanti.
Santushtaah. Because Krishakaah, this is Bahuvachanam. That's why Santushtaah and then
Santushtaः bhavanti. Yeah. So, so Rusti agacchati chet. Rusti agacchati. Rusti is rain, right? If there is a rain, chet krishakaah santushtaah bhavanti. The farmers will be happy.
In English, what we say, we generally begin the sentence with if. If vrishtihi, if rain happens.
If it rains, farmers are happy.
Yes, but in Sanskritam, we say if we do not say if, we have chet to represent if, and chet comes after the statement. Vrishtihi agacchati. This is a statement, but it is it's not sure. It might rain. Vrishtihi agacchati. If rain happens, so this is a big possibility here. So it's not sure. He is imagining, or whosoever is writing the sentence feels that if the rain happens, then only the krishakaah santushtaah bhavanti. Correct? Agre asya avsarah.
Mahodaya, I got a doubt. For the same sentence, yada tada yadi tarhi, can we not use?
Definitely.
Krishakaah santushta bhavanti.
Definitely you can. See, these are conditional sentences, and there are many ways to express one single sentence. So you can definitely interchange because that satisfied samayaha also. Time related. If that time, when the vrishti comes, when the rain comes, then at the same time, krishakaha, farmers became happy. So become happy.
Mahodaya, I need to leave. Dhanyavada.
May I know who is?
This is Basavaraj.
Okay. No problem.
Dhanyavada. I'll catch up on the notes later.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Thank you.
So, the next, just now, who did? Tulasi Mahoday did, na?
Ishwaran
You did?
Mahoday.
Acha. Ishwaran Mahoday? Bhavataha avsaraha?
Yeah.
He did it. He completed it. He completed the first line.
No, I didn't.
No,
oh, you didn't?
Not.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
No,
it was Basavaraj Mahadev who did the first line. Sorry.
Yes. So, Ishwaran Mahoday?
Samayaha asti chet mama griham agaccha. If there is time, then I will come home.
If there is time, then is not here, Mahoday. This is another way of expressing. Just there's no rule. You are seeing many ways of expressing the conditional sentences. Okay. Samayah asti chet. Punah vadatu, Mahoday.
If I have time,
I will. I come.
I come.
I come to house. If there is time, I'll come to. Oh, sorry. Mama griham agaccha. You come to my house.
You come.
You come.
Okay.
Come to my house. Come to house. Yeah, come to home.
If time is there, come to my house. With the help of agacha, we define the karta. Okay. So now Tulasi Rama Mahode, Bhavan Vadatu.
Pustakam Gurhe Asti Chet Patatu. If there is book in the house, then I read.
Do not say then.
Then you please read.
No, then is not here.
Patatu is Patatu is
Then
Pradhama
read. Then read. In the meaning, in Angla Bhasha, it is correct. But here,
Patatu is Pradhama Vibhakti.
Pathatu is Kriya Padam. It never happens at Vibhakti. Kriya Padam only happens in Lakar.
Sorry, Pradhama Purusha. I am talking Pradhama Purusha. Pradhama Purusha verb form.
Yeah. So then is not there. Pustakam Grihe Asti. If you have the book at home, read it.
Okay.
That way we have. If I say you have to write the sentence in English, so you have don't write then, because I have not given anything for then. Only if is here. Okay.
Okay.
If
so
you have,
if there is book in the house, read. Then
read.
Then read.
अब अस्तु अग्रे फणिराज महोदय भवतः अवसरः.
आम्. अभ्यासं करोति चेत् उत्तीर्णः भवति. If we study or simply say if study then you can pass the exam. Not then is not there. Let me rephrase it, Mahoday. Abhyasam karoti chet uttirnah bhavati. If studied,
you will know answer.
Pass may happen. Pass may happen.
You pass. May is
You
not
pass.
there. If exercise, suppose somebody is referring some chhatra, and he say if that particular student does the proper exercises, he passes the exam. So this way, if abhyasam karoti chet uttirnah bhavati. If he does he does the exercises, passes the exam. This way.
So just to broadly understand the differences between tarhi, chet, no chet. So there is a condition. There is a condition for tarhi. Only if there is a condition, let's say if there is electricity, only the bulb will burn.
Yes.
Here it is not so. Here it is not a rule, just a condition.
Yes. If this will happen, this satisfies, this may happen.
All are conditional.
All are conditional sentences. Ways are different.
But there is no rule. There is no rule.
There is no rule. There may be some rule. Somewhere you find there is a rule. And other are simple conditional sentences. For example, you see the next sentence. Viramaha asti chet agachatu. Now I have taken chet, no chet. Aham agacham. Yes, if you have time, please come. If no chet, how do we express no chet? We may say otherwise or else. So this way we can express. If you have time, come. Otherwise, I come. Otherwise, I come. Else, I come. Okay? Making sense?
Yes.
Okay? Yes. Then, Parvati Mahoday, Bhavatyaha avasaraha.
Bhavan Shigram agachati chet Pratiksham karomi na chet griham gachami. Gachami it has to be, no?
It has to be a typo
Gachami.
here. Gachami.
Gachami. You come soon. Else I come to your house.
Bhavan Shigrama, if you come soon, Pratiksham karomi.
I will wait. Sorry, I wait. If you come soon, I wait. Else I come home.
I go home.
Gachami. I go home. Okay.
Yes. So, you see the difference? Only Chet is there and Chet no Chet. Both have been used. Okay. So, next is Natarajan Mahoday.
Shishuhu dugdam pibati chet sukena nidrati. No chet rodati. Shishuhu roditi. No chet roditi. Shishuhu dugdam pibati chet. If the child drinks milk, dugdam milk, shishuhu pibati drinks milk. Sukena nidrati will sleep well. Sukena nidrati. Otherwise, no chet, otherwise, roditi, otherwise, cries.
Yeah, Uttamam Mahoday. Bahuttamam. So, I think you all are getting the sense of it. Last is Ishwaran Mahoday. Bhavan Karotu.
Bubuksha asti chet bhojanam khadami no chet nidra karomi.
Nidram. You know Bubuksha?
Yeah. So the hunger.
Yes.
If hunger is there,
yes,
take food.
Bhojanam khadami. Khadami is for myself.
Okay.
Parati Mahoday, let him try, please. Parati Mahoday.
Otherwise,
let him try.
No sleep. Otherwise, no sleep.
Otherwise, Punaha. Bubuksha asti chet. Up till now is clear. If the hunger is there, bhojanam khadami. So here khadami goes with aham. So aham is adhyahrutam, is hidden here. If the hunger is there, I will eat. Okay. No chet means no chet, otherwise nidram karo. I sleep.
Okay.
Correct? I sleep. So, means other bhojanam khadami, from khadami, you identified the karta is aham. So that is why karomi. Okay. So here what is happening, one more thing I wanted to add here, that santusht, take the first sentence, vrishtihi agacchati cheta krishakaha santushtaha bhavanti. So bhavanti may also be written as bhavishyanti, nritlakari, means bhavishyat-kale. Okay, if the rains comes, the farmers will be happy. That way also we can express the sentence. Is it so? So, vrishtihi, if the rain comes, the farmers will become happy. That means, so that is also the correct way of writing is chet no chet. Then what happens? Because we have not studied Ritlakaraha, that's why Bhavanti only has been written here. So, Samayaha asti chet mama griham agaccha. If I ask you a question, kada mama griham agaccha? Kada? यदि
समयम् अस्ति चेत् मम गृहम्
समयः
आगच्छ.
अस्ति चेत्. So kada mama griham agaccha? Samayah asti chet. So it's a light conversation between two people. A teacher says, Pustakam grihe asti chet pathatu. The boy is in class and teacher says this. Kada pathatu? Pustakam grihe asti chet. Generally, chet is utilized in pure sense of if. In Anglo Bhasha, if, and chet is the substitute of that. So, abhyasam karoti chet uttirnaha bhavati. Uttirnaha bhavati. Anybody who does the abhyasaha exercise becomes clear, goes to the next class, passes that present class. So, viramaha asti chet agacchatu, no chet aham agacchami. If you have time, please come. Otherwise, I come. So these are the conditional sentences. When you study it further, your topic, your subject goes higher and higher, you move to the next class, these kinds of sentences are going to appear again and again. So they should not appear to you as a complex sentence or very tough. No. Yada tada, yadi tarhi, chet no chet. Many times you would find that I can interchange also. The two may interchange also. If yadi tarhi is there, and if you find yadi where vidyut asti, tarhi vidyut deepah jvalati, yada vidyut asti. When the vidyut is there, then only the electric lamps will light. So that may also happen. You may change also. But you should know how many are they. There are 3 sets. And I expressed that they are all avyaya. Now, anybody remembers what is that avyaya? I started in the beginning. Avyaya.
Unchanging.
Yeah, that means from them there is no rupani occurring. Okay, they are all sarvanama padam. So you may think that sahataute, tad shabdah changes like sahataute, satetaha. So I should change yada yade yadani. It never happens. They are all avyaya. Whatever lingam vibhakti or vachanam is there, you have to use yada and tada. They are all connectors. Connectors connectors between 2 sentences. One is a primary sentence. Based upon that, another sentence or statement or event may happen. So this was our topic today. Any query or any question?
In slide number, the last slide, just want to try something.
This
Bubukshaha,
one?
Yeah, this one. Bubukshaha asti chet bhojanam khadami, no chet nidram karomi. So question I can put it as Nidram karomi. Kada bhojanam khadami. I can answer it as Bubukshaha asti chet. That's one answer. Or I can say Yada bubukshaha asti. Tada bhojanam khadami.
Yes, that's very nice. Very nice of expressing it with the help of yada. Because when do you take food? When there is a hunger.
When there is hunger. Similarly, I can ask a question. Kada nidram karomi. When do I sleep? Kada nidram karomi. Bubukshaha nasti chet. when I am not hungry, I can answer it as bubuksha nasti chet nidram karomi. Am I right?
Correct. Correct, Mahoday. Punah vadatu ek baar. Everyone will listen to it. Punah vadatu.
Kada nidram karomi. Bubuksha nasti chet nidram karomi.
Uttamam. So everyone gets it? What Natarajan Mahoday is asking?
Otherwise also, yada bubuksha nasti, am nidram karomi.
Yeah, that is also correct.
Okay.
Yeah, yada bubuksha nasti,
tada
aham nidram,
aham
nidram karomi. Correct. Parvati Mahoday?
So you can use yada, chet, na chet, everything in one sentence?
No, that is not. I think I have not seen any such complex sentences which uses yada also and chet no chet. They have combination, set of combination which can be used together. So chet, then no chet should happen. Chet may be followed with no chet. Chet should not be followed with tada. That is wrong.
So na chet also should not be followed by yada.
No, he was asking a question. That's why he used yada. Means Mahoday asked, kada nidram karomi yada bhubuksha asti. Yada bhubuksha nasti. Just. So then he did not use chet bhojanam khadam. So chet, then no chet. These are the combination sets.
Okay.
If I ask a question, kada nidram karomi? So no chet did not come in that question. And bhojanam khadami also did not come in that question. Kada nidram karomi? The answer was yada bhubuksha nasti. Correct?
So by using yada tada, this last sentence can be split into two sentences, two questions and two sentences.
Yeah.
Kada bhojanam karomi, yada bubuksha asti, tada bhojanam karomi.
Yes.
Kada nidram karomi, yada bubuksha nasti, tada nidram karomi.
Yes, then that is correct. Kada nidram karomi, yada bhubuksha nasti, tada nidram karomi. So you are answering the same thing, same set of questions, kada nidram karomi into two different ways. So using yada and
by
tada.
Using chet no chet, we are combining both into one sentence.
Yes. They are correctors. So all these are conditional sentences. You may encounter them here and there in your stories. Many times we read stories in the class. Many times we do some other activities. So at that time, you may find these sentences helpful. And with the applying some discretion, we may change the conditional avyaya and the sentence remains the same. Yada tata and yadi tarhi may be interchanged also. But be particular कि when yada tada you are using, the samayah relativity of time is there. It should be there. Okay. So here any question? Yadi tarhi?
Or also it is time.
Yadi viramah asti, this is one thing. A possibility here is more prominently, you can say. Yada also can be used. But yadi viramah asti, this is one condition that second condition satisfies. Then you come. Yadi abhyasa pustakam asti, then you write. So first is the first condition, second follows that. That way. Here what happens? Anything, any problem here? See, correct, na?
Yeah, understood.
Okay, okay. And here in this slide, when we use gam dhatu attracts dvitiya vibhakti.
Vibhakti, yeah.
Yeah.
But is this the only dhatu which attracts this? Are there other special dhatus which attract this dvitiya vibhakti?
Maybe you will read further study that wherever the motion is there, motion is implied. Means some kind of action is there where gati is there. Then you may find that dvitiya vibhakti may come. So gam dhatu also has gati into it, motion into it. So this many other things will come, not to overwhelm you, but you remember up to your level that gam dhatu attracts in place of saptami vibhakti dvitiya.
Dvitiya vibhakti. Okay.
Okay. So why not try one sentence? Instead of balakah griham agachati, you try one sentence, Mahoday, Parvati Mahoday. Try another sentence of your own choice.
Balika, pushpam, pushpam. Oh no, I have to use gacha, no?
Gam dhatu.
Gam dhatu.
Yes.
Put it Vidyalayam agachati.
Agachati. Vidyalayam.
One second, Mahoday. She's trying.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Try, Mahoday. Try.
Yeah.
Don't use griham, don't use mandiram, don't use vidyalayam. You use another word.
Balakah udyanam.
Oh, uttamam.
Udyanam agachati. Ne, udyanam gachati.
Gachati also? Yeah. Very nice. Correct. See, gachati also. Here it is agachati and here it is gachati. So we have here two slides are given. Both the slides we use gam dhatu. Wherever gam dhatu is there, vanam gachati.
Vanam gachati.
तुलसीराम महोदय, भवान् एकं वाक्यं वदतु. Use some other karta.
अशोकः विद्यालयं गच्छति.
उत्तमम्. नटराजन महोदय, भवान् वक्तुं इच्छति वा? Use agachati.
सीता कार्यालयम् आगच्छति. कार्यालयम् आगच्छति. Will come. Sita comes to workplace or office.
Workplace. Yes, Mahoday. Ishwaran Mahoday, भवान् वदतु.
श्रीरामः ग्रामं गच्छति.
श्रीरामः ग्रामं गच्छति. उत्तमं महोदय. Whom I did not ask, तुलसीराम महोदय, भवतः उक्तवान् वा? You already did. पणिराज महोदय, भवान् वदतु महोदय. Don't use vanam, nandigramam, athva lankam. Don't use Sriramaha. Take your own karta and then do it.
अस्तु. रेल यानं रेल स्थाने आगच्छति.
रेल स्थाने न.
रेल यानं रेल स्थाने आगच्छति.
When you say gachati athva agachati, sthane becomes No, please do not interfere. Let him try. Mahoday. Pariraj Mahoday?
I'm trying to say the rail station as the rail sthanam.
Yeah, that is correct. But you are saying sthane. Sthane is wrong. Sthanam is correct.
No, I didn't say ane. I said agachati. Let me rephrase it.
Yeah, do it.
Let me rephrase it. Rail anam. Rail anam. Rail sthane agachati.
Then you said rail sthane. That is there.
So rail sthanam. I'm sorry. Rail sthanam. Rail yanam agachati.
Rail yanam. Rail sthanam agachati. Rail sthanam cannot be written as rail sthane because it is gam dhatu, gachati athva agachati. Correct?
Astu.
So I think samayah, what is the time there? 8:30 around?
8:27.
Yeah,
8:27.
Okay.
Your class starts at 7, Mahoday. We are little adjusted timings in such a way that we go by 8. So try to close it ASAP.
Okay, Mahoday. I understand there are
prepone it by
several.
half an hour. If possible, prepone it by half an hour. 6:30 should be fine.
I do not know how many of others are okay with it. I do not know.
Because the batch 2 we are
Usually
used
our
to
I didn't
batch
get it.
2,
I
yeah.
didn't get it. What time?
Batch
What
2
time you're asking for?
half an hour earlier. Start half an hour earlier.
Okay.
As our usual
6:30 is our
Tuesday
usual
class.
time.
Tuesday's
Okay.
usual time is 6:30. And Sundays, Rukmaniji's class used to be 6:30 in the morning.
So you all want 6:30?
Yeah, 6:30 to 8 should
instead
be
of
fine.
7?
Yes.
Okay. I will manage it. I will cover it by saying in the WhatsApp group. And then
Are you
everyone
okay?
should
No,
okay it.
we all said, are you okay? Is it okay for you?
It's okay.
बहुत धन्यवाद.
It's okay. I'll next Thursday it will be 6:30. So I'll put it in the as a notification in the WhatsApp group. So
6:30 to 8 will be. धन्यवाद.
प्रार्थना श्लोकान् कुर्मः तत्पश्चात् recording stop. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
पुनर्मिलामः.
पुनर्मिलामः.
Recording. पुनः मिलामः.